Hi, and welcome to the 10 square metre workshop. Regular viewers will know that I fit power sockets to all my hand tools. And here are some examples. Orbital sander, trim router, heat gun, and not forgetting of course my track saw. The main reason is of course so they can be coupled up easily along with the dust system. But it also stops you having trailing leads when you pack them away. So, will I be fitting these to all my tools? No, and for a very good reason. But I will be fitting more plugs coming up after this. Although they're small and give a locking connection, they are 2-pin, which is all that tools like this need. Larger equipment, especially if it's metal framed, need a third earth connector. Since size is less of an issue with equipment like this, the answer is quite obvious. The 3-pin IEC connector is already fitted to my equipment, and probably is to yours too. Often known as a kettle plug, there is a lot of equipment that uses this. The leads are of course readily available in a range of sizes. I already have several. And all the fittings, both male and female, are easily available at low cost. A prime example is my belt and bobbin sander. I don't use it often enough to justify leaving it out permanently connected, so it lives in a cupboard. It uses my overhead vacuum system, as you can see. But the power cable has to be untangled and plugged in above. A bit of a hassle. Currently it has the normal fixed cable, which is common for such equipment. So here it is, fitted with an IEC power socket. You shouldn't do this of course if you're worried about warranty, or if authorities in your jurisdiction object to you improving your own equipment, and you care about that. I've already fitted such sockets to my bandsaw and my dust extraction system. Using mains lead with sockets means you don't have to have ones that are ridiculously long. You can choose ones that's just the right size for the job. Although too short seems to be much more common. Not long enough? A simple extension lead with a socket and plug on each end avoids those big main sockets on the end of extension leads. A much neater connection. Another advantage of such a system is you can make up cables like this. Easy to store and doesn't tangle. Fixed equipment that doesn't move doesn't need them of course. Having twin systems can be a bit of a pain, but solved in this case by using a small inline adapter. This should only be used when the appliance is known to be 2-wire, which in this case is true. This means when coupling up, I attach the vacuum hose, plug in the power, and I'm good to go. Replacing fixed leads with socketed ones like this saves time in future, means that the leads are always the correct length, and it means that tools are easy to store. Corded leads seem to take twice the space to put away and are quite a pain. Well, that's all for this time. Hope to see you next time.